Hi guys, I'm learning a new skill at the same time, so I'm learning how to communicate to the camera and also learning how to film properly. The other thing, I'm learning how to edit, so there's a few skills in there you can learn. It's almost like marketing as well, and creating a community. So eventually, as I progress in this journey of my vlogging, hopefully I can make a living out of it. If you're like me and you've been wanting to start a YouTube channel, just start one. Just start filming and create an account and get on your journey. Get on your way of YouTubing.